Welcome to this video explaining how to install the Suction Group Controller plugin in the Alliance. In the refrigeration subsystem, make sure that you are in configuration mode. To install the Suction Group Controller, drag and drop a plugin from the Components list to the main view of the Alliance. We will fill the window to choose the type of plugin as per the following. We could change the identification of the plugin, but we will leave it to the default name. For the type, leave it to empty plugin. The only choice we have for the manufacturer is Microthermal Technologies. Choose Suction Group Controller from the list of plugin names. Then, the next 4 fields will be set automatically. The visibility option can't be changed. It is set to making the plugin visible at all times. For the appearance, we will leave the default option that captures a name and a small picture on the plugin button. Click OK. The plugin button will appear in the main view where it was dropped. There is no need to drop a node. The node is created and installed from within the plugin. Click on the plugin button to open the plugin. In the System tab, click on the highlighted button to create the Suction Group Controller node. It will suggest to install it on the channel of your choice. In our case, we only have the backbone. Once the node is created, the SG node button becomes white. There is a hint on the button indicating that there is no neuron ID associated to the node. Now we want to install the node. Click on the SG node button. In the top right corner, we can see the status of the node. Access the Command Status tab. There is a blank neuron ID associated to the node. Click on the Install button. In the Board Models drop-down, the MT722F is indicated. It is the main module of the 700 series on which the Suction Group Controller can be installed. We will install the node by pressing on the Service Pin button on the module. It is now installing. We could have chosen to enter the neuron ID manually. We have kept the default option for loading the software in the node. Also, concerning delayed installation, a future video will provide some information on that option. Once the installation is complete, the indicator becomes green with a status saying online. We can see that the node has captured the neuron ID of the module. When we click OK to close this window, the SG node button has become green. Finally, when closing the plugin, we get a message saying that the rack hasn't yet been defined. Click No on this message to define it later. Save your modifications. And the plugin button in the main view is now green.